as seen in Figure 4, indicates that disenfranchisement has a negative and not statistically significant effect on recidivism rates for the 2010 recidivism cohort, as the regression coefficient estimate of the slope parameter for disenfranchisement is negative and, again, not statistically significant. For 1 unit increase in disenfranchisement, we expect to see a negative 5.433 decrease in recidivism rates for the states within the 2010 cohort. As negative 5.433 is not less than 2 standard deviations away from zero, it does not meet the standard criterion of 95% significance. Moreover, according to the adjusted R-squared, approximately 0.017 of recidivism rates can be explained by the disenfranchisement variable, which indicates the model has very little predictive power. Similarly, the results for the second regression in Figure 5 also indicate that disenfranchisement has a negative and not statistically significant effect on recidivism rates for the 2014 cohort. For 1 unit increase in disenfranchisement within the 2014 cohort, we expect to see a negative 3.32 decrease in recidivism rates for the states in the 2014 cohort. Like the first model, negative 3.32 is less than 2 standard deviations away from the mean, indicating it does not meet the criterion for 95% significance. As the adjusted R-squared is 0.085, this model has slightly more predictive power than the previous model, but still, it is clear, given the adjusted R-squared value, that this model has very little predictive power as well. Taken together, these results indicate that the hypothesis cannot be rejected insofar as disenfranchisement does not increase recidivism. In fact, it seems upon closer analysis that it may actually decrease recidivism. Moreover, neither regression is statistically significant, as the null hypothesis cannot be rejected for either model with any level of significance, while also considering the respective adjusted R-squared values for each model. It appears as though there are confounding variables that must be accounted for in any future research if one is to pursue whether disenfranchisement has an effect on recidivism in either causal direction.